In this video, we're going to create a PM with a few easy steps. Planned, scheduled, or preventive maintenance is performed to ensure that assets are reliable and running as smoothly as possible by proactively performing maintenance before a fault occurs, thus avoiding any unscheduled breakdowns and downtime. Your CMMS comes with an advanced PM scheduling feature that tracks preventive maintenance cycles and notifies the user when the work is due. To set up a PM, I navigate to Scheduled Maintenance in the CMMS Maintenance menu and select New. A scheduled maintenance is basically a template for a recurring work order. When the PM is due, it adds a new work order from the PM template to your work order queue. I can detail what we are going to do, when it will be done, what steps will be taken, what parts will be used, needs to be notified when due, and what files or procedures we'll need. Let's say I bought a used lathe that needs servicing every 6 months. First, I select the asset from the drop-down menu. I can use the search to find the lathe quicker. I want the work order to be automatically assigned to the technician when it's triggered, so I select Assigned from the Start the Work Order Status drop-down. Let's select Preventive Maintenance as the maintenance type. It's high priority, and I want this PM completed within 2 days of it being triggered. Finally, I'm going to fill in a PM summary. Simple so far. In the Scheduling tab, we create the trigger. The trigger is what causes the scheduled maintenance to generate a work order. We can create a trigger based on time, meter, or event, and these are explained in more detail in the PM Triggers video. To create a trigger, click the Add icon. This is going to be a time-based PM. Since this is the first time creating this maintenance type, and I need maintenance done starting today and continuing on in the future, I select the Create Work Order on Start Date box. This will generate a work order immediately and then will trigger every 6 months in the future. Okay, that was too easy. Next, I'll input some tasks for the standard servicing. It's possible to add individual tasks or complete task lists. Step 1 is oil change. I'll assign Bob since he'll be doing the work. I'll do this by selecting Bob from the drop-down menu. I can add the estimated time needed to complete the task here. This number is crucially important, as it'll help forecast required labor hours in the future. I'll leave this labor task as a general task type. If I wanted a meter reading logged or a text result, I could change that here. I'll repeat this for the other tasks until my task list is complete. Check belt tension, adjust jib, inspect valves for leaks, clean filters, check spindle temperature. In the Parts tab, I'll add the rust oxidation inhibited oil needed for this PM. I'll add the equipment owner to the Notifications tab. They're not performing any work, but the system will still send them notifications to keep them in the loop. You can even add the system manual to the Files tab of the CMMS. Simply drag and drop. Finally, I click Activate to start the PM running. When I activate the scheduled maintenance, dates for upcoming maintenance appear in the trigger below. I can see the next date due is 6 months from now. In the Log tab, I can see that today's PM has already been triggered and will be listed in the work order section. That's my PM complete. It's as simple as that.